In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Gcash account using email without phone number. If you've lost access to your mobile number or your SIM is no longer active, don't worry. You can still regain access to your account by using the Help Center and focusing on email-based recovery. I'll walk you through what to click and what to expect on each page so you can move forward with confidence. First, open the official Help Center. You can do this from the app or a browser, whichever is easier for you. Make sure you're on the legitimate Gcash support site and that your internet connection is stable, because you'll be reviewing important guidance and possibly receiving an email as part of the process. Once you're in the Help Center, go to the section labeled Your Account. This area collects the most common access and profile concerns in one place, so you don't have to hunt around. Inside your account, look for and select Login Tips. This section is designed to guide you through situations where you can't log in, including when you don't have your phone number handy. From Login Tips, choose Lost or Stolen SIM. Even if your SIM wasn't stolen, this path is the correct one when your number is unavailable. This page consolidates the recovery options you'll need and explains what to do when SMS codes aren't an option. Now, follow the steps shown on your screen. The Help Center will outline the exact prompts, which may include verifying your identity and confirming your account details. Since you're recovering without a phone number, you'll typically be directed to use your registered email. Keep that inbox open and check your spam or junk folder just in case. If the system asks for additional verification, such as answering account questions or submitting a valid ID, provide accurate information to speed things up. The goal is to confirm that you are the rightful owner so access can be restored safely. If you want to keep your old number for future logins and notifications, you can get a SIM replacement by contacting your network provider. A replacement lets you retain the same mobile number so your account and one-time codes work as before. If you go this route, do it as soon as possible to avoid interruptions and to protect your number from unauthorized use. Take your time with each Help Center page. Read the instructions carefully and avoid sharing any one-time passwords or personal details with anyone claiming to help outside official channels. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to recovering your Gcash account using your email, even without your phone number.